Hello, come spend a day in Bangalore, India with me. I host a meetup, explore the parks, and so much more with all my friends. Let's go. Oh gosh, hello, good morning. My room's so messy. Look, it's my last morning here in Bangalore, India, and I want to show you my morning routine. This is the place I've been staying. I'll talk more about it later. But first, if we're gonna go out here, we have to unlock the door because the door handle doesn't work. And now we're gonna go down those stairs. The door is never locked there, which I always wonder about. I'm staying at this company called Small World, and I've been fully embedded in their business and their stuff for the past while. I forget which way I gotta turn. So it's early here. I think it's 6:50 in the morning. And oh man, hello, good morning. And this is this shop that, it's a little shop where I go buy water from. And I actually wanted to do a video that was like everything inside an Indian convenience shop. For now, we're gonna go to breakfast. We're going to my favorite Darshini. Darshini? That is a local diner, and it's where I go have breakfast and tea and coffee. So as we get closer, I'm gonna explain once again that this is the equivalent of perhaps like a Waffle House. I don't know, it's open like all the time, locals come. It's called Sri Vishnu Upnahar, and I'll show you exactly what is inside. This is my favorite spot. At first I wouldn't have wanted to film here, but I think now maybe he'll let me. Good morning. So now I'm gonna get these two idli. Thank you. Cool. So now I paid for that, and I have to give them this thing. I paid 45 rupees, which is about, let me think, about 55 cents or so. And now I'm gonna give this. Okay, hey boss, thank you. And so now he's gonna make my breakfast. Side. Yeah, please. So I want to get the idli on the side, which is how I like it. And he's going to make me stuff down here. There's the idli, there's the sambar, there's the two idlis. Okay. And these things are made out of rice. And okay, thanks boss. Here it is right here. Okay, thank you. And so here's the idli. And now this stuff is made out of rice. Hello. I think they think it's so funny that I'm filming here. And usually I'm just gonna come set up right over here at the edge of the table. And now I'm gonna go get my spoon. I should probably eat it. I'll show you what it looks like to eat, so hold on. You know, I don't know if you can see me, but I'm gonna try the idli. And what I do is I cut off a little piece like this, and then I'm gonna dip it in the sambar, and then I taste it. People are watching me this way. It's really good. It's a little bit spicy, but I really like it. They do so many carbs here for breakfast. It's very good. Okay, I'm gonna take another one. Take one more. And here goes. Wow. So now my chai is ready. This is the guy who makes the tea and the filter coffee. Maybe I'll get a filter coffee, but he made me this tea. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. So hot. He made me this tea with no sugar. Good morning. So I'm having my tea, and this guy is a runner here. And what's your name?
Hi, myself Srinivas Reddy.
And can you show the water bottle? Will you hold it up?
This is the water bottle I purchased in Decathlon, and it's flexible. While running, you can just sip it whenever you want.
It's pretty cool. And you're running how far? You're going to do what?
I'm trying to run half marathon today. Hopefully, I'll finish that.
Amazing. Congratulations. We believe in you. You can do it. There he goes off on his run. I hope he has a great run. Really nice guy. Well, it's my last breakfast. That was so sad. I've really enjoyed going there like every morning. All right, I need to now go back to my room. I need to pack. I need to get in a car. I'm hosting a meetup today. If you're watching this, thank you so much. I'm going to try to keep it interesting as I show you my last day here in Bangalore, India, in South India, what life is like before I go to my next adventure. Okay, hello, greetings. Well, good morning. I'm getting a coconut, and you can see here that he's going to chop it for me. And I get one of these almost every morning. I don't know what the name of this chopper is called, but he's going to chop it out, and he's going to now add in a little bit of a straw so that I can sip it. Thank you very much. I have straw, boss. Thank you, sir. So now this is the coconut. Now it's quite heavy, and I'll show you what it tastes like to sip it. It's so good and it's so fresh. At the end, so watch what he's doing here. He's gonna chop it open so that they can scoop out the coconut meat inside, which is really, really, really delicious. But this is one of my favorite things that I'm gonna miss, which is having the daily coconut for so cheap too. It's so nice. And now he's gonna eat it like that. Well, welcome. I'm hosting a meetup here in Cubbon Park. And we're about to go over to the library, which I'm very excited about. We've been walking through the park. Here's something you need to know. These Indian people walk so slow. They are very dilly-dally walkers. It's what? Yes, agree or not agree?
Kind of. I don't. Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, I'm roasting them. But now we're going to go in. We're going to check out the library. I'm very excited to be here. The park is beautiful. The park is so gorgeous. Let's go in. Park here at Cubbon Park, and I just want to note that there are 10,000 times more people than dogs. There are so many people that are watching the dogs. It's packed inside, and I'm looking around now. I think there's probably about 15 dogs, and I would estimate about 15,000 people. But I like it. People love dogs, which is nice. We're going to go inside the library, though, so come on. This is a bathroom, and I want to show it to you real quick because even here at the bathroom, they are taking and accepting UPI, which is the local payments infrastructure. And you can give them money, which is 10 rupees, to come here and use the bathroom. I won't go into the bathroom, but that's just kind of how it is, and you can pay here. And this is the guy that shows that it's for the guys over there, and that's that is the man who is watching to make sure that we will pay. It's very funny because we had to go to the library and there's no bathroom at the library, and we had to walk all the way over here and then pay, which I thought was kind of funny. But the library was beautiful. I really liked it. Now we're going to see if we can sneak into the dog park, but there's signs up that say that there's cobras, that there's snakes, and we have to be careful. This woman has a very special, what is this? Is this a salwar kameez? What is it?
It is a special Lucknow chicken curry kurta, and it's the most famous work there.
Really?
So I'm just representing where I'm from.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Can we see this? Okay, look at this. This is incredible. And what is the thing called? Is it a dress? Is it a kurta?
It is actually the thread work in it.
Yeah.
Which is there in kurtas, dresses, sarees, and everything. So thread work, they do it by hand. Like they work day and night for it. And that's how it is famous. So yeah, that's that.
That's so nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You said that this is your first ever meetup. Is that correct?
It's my first ever meetup. And it's my second year now in Bangalore.
Wow.
And I'm just very keen in doing stuff. So yeah.
How's the meetup going so far?
It's very cool. It's actually very interesting, to be honest.
Okay, good. Woo. I got to keep my expectations. I got to keep her expectations low, but hopefully we're still doing a good meetup. We're walking for food. Okay, I'm roasting them because I said, oh, this is a typical Indian thing. They say, the restaurant is right outside the gate, and now we walk like 10 minutes. All right, what we're going to show you live is how to cross the street. And so Stuti is going to be leading us to cross the street here, and we will follow her lead as we just go into the road, which is going to be crazy because there's all these cars coming. Look at this. This is what's going to happen, and we're just going to find it. When are we going? No, but when are we going to cross? Now, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Take us just now. Watch, we're just going to go now. Here we go across the street. And this is how we do it. We just walk in the middle of all the traffic, and hopefully they will stop for us. What does it take to be a good street crosser, Stuti?
Just some confidence.
Just a little confidence, right?
Just walk by. Yeah.
Okay, good.
And others will stop.
And then others will stop.
Now we have it here.
Great. Wow, this place looks awesome. Okay, let me show you. Dang, this place looks cool as hell. Look at all these people hanging out. And now we're just gonna like go down into here. Dude, this is awesome. I'm like super stoked. Look at this. Wow, right by the park even. It's packed. It's so busy. Is this how? It's not gonna help at all. So cool. All right, and then here's our group all behind us. We're walking in. This will be impossible. Oh, great. I would like to give you a little tour of the restaurant that we are at. Oh my gosh, Dimpy, can I see what you ordered?
Yeah, it's
Fantastic. So come over here. So what did you order, Dimpy?
it's idli
It's idli.
with sambar and chutney.
A sambar and chutney. Now the chutney looks real watery. Is that normal?
I don't know.
No, we don't know. Good, great, fantastic. It looks good. It looks great. Thanks, Dimpy. Now the idlis you can get very fast, and however, I ordered a dosa because many people wanted dosas. So let's show you how this works, and I'll show you. In an Indian restaurant like this, you place your order here at the line, and then he takes your money. So I got a masala dosa. Now in back here is where they're making it, and this is where they're making the coffee, and maybe they're making the masala dosa. I got a filter coffee, which I can't wait to show you. And now you put your thing up here, and they're gonna bring us the food. Let's see if I'm gonna snag this. I'm gonna grab this right out of your hand. You're doing a great job. But I'm just gonna grab to see if we can see a little bit more of what's cooking. Oh, that's punif, by the way. And now they're doing a little cooking. Hello. Oh, wow, look at it back there. Okay, let's see over here. Now he's doing a little bit of cooking with the dosas. That's where the idlis are coming. I'm sorry. This woman says, "Sir, please let me bring the pans in." Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this. That's the fresh idlis. Incredible. Wow. Just like that. Watch this. Watch this. It's so nice. What is the noise? What's the noise from?
I can't hear you.
The noise. What is the noise from? Why is it so loud?
When you sprinkle water on the hot plate for the dosa to be non-sticky.
This is Indian filter coffee. Oh my gosh, amazing. That's for me? Okay, so this is an idli sambar, and this is the filter coffee, 2 South Indian specialties. Now I'm going to taste the idli, and this is going to be so good. It's what I have all the time here. Now, gosh, now that I think about it, I guess I had one for breakfast. All right, here goes. I like it. It's good. Wow, big news. The dosa has arrived. This is the dosa that's right over here. This is South Indian specialty. Oh my gosh. I'm poking in here to pull out and show you. But inside there is is potato. Hello! We had a lot of fun at the meetup.
Go make some!
I'm going to the airport now. I just had to show this that we stopped so that my driver can go to the bathroom. So he's peeing on the side of the road. And now that's the end of my video. I was riding to the airport to fly to Mumbai. I'm now here in Mumbai. Hey, if you like this video, will you give me a like and leave me a little comment and just say hey? I film these videos kind of inconsistently, but I love making them and I want to do more. Thank you for watching. Cheers from India. Bye-bye.